So we're going on a very short break, a one-night break, about a 50-minute drive from us. It's one of our favourite places, and we're taking you with us. Well, the wind was so loud on the video, reminded to ourselves to improve the microphones for next time. We didn't want to hurt your ears with all of the wind noise. And so what we did was we set up, thankfully we brought the windbreak. It was quite a lot of effort to put the windbreak up, but we did that, and we set up camp. And then we went for a lovely long walk into Burnham. The walk was about maybe an hour each way, something like that. But really lovely walk along the seawall. Beautiful, beautiful views. You could see boats, you could see the sea. And as soon as we were around the corner from towards Burnham, the wind really dropped, so it was a lot more sheltered around there. And we sat on the seawall and had a little cheeky pint.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
What beer is that, Chris?
It's Captain Bob.
Captain Bob. Look at it. Look at this view. So we've just been for a lovely walk into Burnham, and by the seawall we went to see the marina, and now we're walking back to the van. It was quite windy, that's why I'm wearing my hat, because I don't like the wind on my ears, but Chris is fine. Yeah. How long have you been walking for?
Nearly 2 hours.
2 hours we've walked for, but we did pause our watches when we had a cheeky beer at the pub.
It's about 2k to the pubs. 2 kilometres.
2 kilometres there and 2 kilometres back. But we went a bit further to the marina, also to see the boats, which was very lovely. And I don't know if you can see our van. Our van is, can you see it? No, I've gone too far. Over in the field. I have got the cutest rice cooker. Look at that, it's tiny. It's really tiny. So we've got the rice cooking, and then out there in the pan, I cheated a little bit. I slow cooked some pork, slow roasted some pork overnight with onions, cumin, red pepper, chorizo, and now I'm just heating it up. So we're going to have burritos, right, with rice, that pork stuff, some tortillas, and some sour cream. So that's dinner. So we've got pulled pork burritos. It's quite windy, even though we're behind the swim break. It's actually quite windy still, isn't it? But I wish you could smell this. This smells absolutely amazing. Now I'm gonna roll it up and shove it in my gob. We have eaten. So we had our kind of sort of burritos. They're really, really nice. Very messy to eat. And we were starting to get quite cold because the wind from the east is really chilly, and it's dropped to about 12 degrees. And it doesn't sound very much, but with the wind as well, we're starting to get really chilly. So we've cozied in, so we're inside now, and we're going to watch. What are we going to watch?
True Blue Travellers.
True Blue Travellers. That's what we're going to watch, and yeah, get a bit warm, and chill for the evening. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye. Morning. Well, it is day 2 of our lovely little visit here at Burnham Wick Farm, and we're just going to have a little walk around the farm. We've got some farm animals, lots of horses, and we're going to have a little walk after a lovely breakfast. Another. Oh, hello. Aren't you cute? Hello. A friendly little thing. Oh, there's another face. There's another one, look. This field was an airfield in 1914 for a few years. It doesn't look like an airfield now. Oh, hello. All the animals are so friendly. Hello. So we're heading back to the van now. We're the only ones. This site only parks 5 vehicles. We're the only ones left. Us and the horses. Alright, so we're all packed up and we are ready to head off after a stay, one night stay here in Burnham Wick Farm. Really, really lovely stay. So what do you reckon, Chris? 3-word review?
I think escapism, sunny, and windy. Very windy.
It was really windy. We're both feeling quite windswept. And so my 3 words would be peaceful, windy, I'm going to steal your word, and tranquil. It's just such a lovely sight. Like, if you want to get away from it all and just be in a really peaceful place where there are animals, not very many people, and a lot of greenery, then this is the place to come. Such a lovely stay, and thank you for joining us for it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.